Let us learn about the prerequisites of triangles. The following are the concepts discussed as the prerequisites of triangles: ray, vertex, triangle, types of triangles and their classifications, and congruence of triangles and their classifications. To understand the concept of triangles, we need to know about the following terms. Angle. An angle is formed by two rays, sharing a common endpoint, that is, a vertex, where a ray is nothing but a line that has one endpoint and goes infinitely in another direction. And a vertex is a common point to two rays of a triangle, or two sides of any polygon. Triangle. A polygon with three sides or edges, three vertices and three angles is called a triangle. Here, a polygon is a closed shape, and is made up of three or more straight lines. Each triangle is a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines. Tri means three. It is denoted by triangle symbol. A triangle with vertices A, B, and C is denoted as triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, AB and C are the three vertices. AB, BC and C are the three sides. Angle A, angle B, and angle C are the three angles. The sum of all the angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. Now let us learn in detail about triangles and their classification. Type of triangles. Triangles are broadly classified based on their relative lengths of sides and their internal angles. Triangles classified based on relative lengths of sides are as Equilateral Triangle, Isosceles Triangle, and Scalene Triangle. Let us know in brief about these types of triangles. Equilateral Triangle. An equilateral triangle is a polygon with all the three sides having the same length and all angles measuring 60 degrees each. We can say that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle if the lengths of the three sides are equal, that is, AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to A, and all the three angles are measuring 60 degrees each, that is, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degrees. Isosceles Triangle. An isosceles triangle is a polygon with two sides of equal lengths. The angles opposite to the equal sides are always equal. We can say that the two side lengths AB and AC having the same length, that is, B units, and the third side is having the A units of length, that is, AB equal to AC equal to B units, and BC equal to A units. And the angles angle B and angle C are of same measurement. Scalene Triangle. A scalene triangle is a polygon in which all the three sides are not equal. All the three angles in a scalene triangle are different. From the figure, we can say that the three sides AB, BC and CA are not equal in lengths, that is, AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. And all the three angles angle A, angle B and angle C are different in measure, that is, angle A is not equal to angle B, is not equal to angle C. Here, we should note that some scalene triangles are also called right triangles. But remember that not all scalene triangles are right triangles. Till now, we have studied the types of triangles based on their relative lengths of sides. Now let us move on to the triangles classified according to their internal angles. Triangles classified according to their internal angles are right triangle, or right angle triangle, obtuse triangle, or obtuse angle triangle, acute triangle, or acute angle triangle. Let us discuss in brief about each triangle based on internal angles. Right triangle or right angle triangle. A triangle which has one of its measuring angles 90 degrees, then is called a right triangle. It is also called right angle triangle. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. It is the longest side of the right triangle. Obtuse triangle, or obtuse angle triangle. A triangle which has one of its measuring angle with more than 90 degrees, then it is called an obtuse triangle. It is also called obtuse angle triangle. Acute triangle, or acute angle triangle. A triangle which has all the measuring angles less than 90 degrees is called an acute triangle. An acute triangle is also called as acute angle triangle. Here remember that, even though, if all the angles in an acute triangle are less than 90 degrees, but the sum of all the angles should be 180 degrees. Till now we discussed about the different types of triangles. Now, let us learn about congruence of triangles. Any two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same size and same shape. To check for congruency in the given triangles, do as follows. Let us take two equilateral triangles of equal sides. Now place one triangle on the other triangle, then, we will observe that they cover each other completely, and they are said to be congruent to each other. Any two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same size and same shape. The triangles which are said to be congruent, all the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are also said to be congruent. Here we should note that congruent means two geometric figures with same shapes and sizes. Whenever identical objects have to be produced, the concept of congruence is used in making the cast.